Make $152 in days just by using this app to refer your friends. Hi guys, welcome to Word Builders Hub. I'm here to share with you how to make money using Geegpay through referral. So let's get started on this tutorial. I promise not to leave any stone unturned. So feel free to like if you've not like my videos, share so that it will reach to thousands of people. So let's dive in. This is my app already. I already have my Geek app installed. So I'm going to drop the link for you to use to key into this Geekpay now. So let me log in. Okay, this is my login details. Is already there. Login. Okay, actually, okay, I don't have money here. Okay, look at the previous transaction. I've been using Geekpay. So even their charges, everything is low. So I love the app so much. So that's why I'm bringing it to you to key into this opportunity now. I will drop the link on the description. So feel free to join immediately and start earning. So you can earn $152 in days or more than anything you can think of. You can earn it using this Geekpay. So let's see how it goes. Invite your friends and get $4 for each referral when they verify their accounts. So once you click the link on the decision bio, then you verify, you register on this app. You are good to go. Verify your account, you are good to go. So once you are done, use it for your transaction, your online business. You can change your dollar if you want to change. If you want to change your own currency to dollar, you can do it. And they have their exchange rate is so good. So I will still show you that. So invite your friends and get $4 each time. Each referral, for each referral is very massive. $4 for each referral, and you can refer more than 100 under 2 days. Yes, it's possible, it's achievable. So by using blog posts, you can refer by using blog posts. Go to Quora, look for questions like this. People are asking what is the best online app to use to get their dollar, to receive their payments of freelancers. Maybe if you are doing anything online, if you're a freelancer, if you are working online, doing online business, and the company you are working with asks for the account for you to use for them to pay you. So feel free, use your Geekpay USD account. So it's very, very good. So you can receive your payments, you can get paid, and you can use it for your own transaction. You can use it to save dollar. So when dollar increase, you will gain. So that's how it works. So let me copy. This is my link. This is my referral link. So I'll be dropping it on the description for you to click and join. So you can still do the same thing. Once you register, verify your account, you come here, you still take your own referral, do the same, replicate it, post it in all your social media platform. So with that being said, you are going to be making dollars on a daily basis. So I promise to be bringing amazing opportunity how you are going to make money online. So this is the key in now, guys. So why the promo lasts. Okay, so let's continue. Look at it here. The referral code has been copied. Okay, let's see the accounts. Let's see what they have. Okay, this is my account holder. This. Okay, like if you want to share your account number to the company, look at where you are going to get it. This is my USD account. This is it. Okay, this is actually my Naira account. Okay, this is my Naira account. This is the number. This is Credit Money Microfinance Bank. Okay, you copy it. Credit Microfinance. This is the dollar account. This is the bank. The first one, right next, is the dollar. This credit is Naira account. So if you want to send money, if I want to give out my information for people to send money, I will share these details. I will share it, then you copy it down and send, and attach it to your payment platform where you receive dollar, where you receive payments. So it's very, very nice. So that is it. If you want to create a new dollar account, look at where it's create new. You press there and create. This is their card. If you want to do transaction online, create card. You create your card, visual card for payments online, for Google Ads. This is where you are going to create it. You get it instantly. So you see, you agree, everything seamless. So guys, feel free to use the description on my bio. Use the description on my bio now and thank me later. So I will not waste time on this video. Let's go to home. So that is the end of my video. So if you have any question, feel free to drop on the comment section because I'll be there to reply. So do the needful now. Start earning today, guys. See you on the inside. See you on my next video. So thank you very much and bye for now.